I'm not quite done yet with my proposal. This is just one of the documents that need to come together into a completed proposal, and those documents have come from a variety of different places, which is why I converted them to Adobe PDF in the first place. Some of them might have come from Adobe InDesign, some from Microsoft Word, who knows where. And to avoid having to bring all of those applications to my own desktop, I've had the people providing them to me create PDFs and then hand them to me. So I'm going to take the next step and use the next C in Acrobat to combine the documents. To do that, I'll select Combine Files and choose Merge Files into a single PDF document. And in the Combine Files dialog box, you'll see that the open file that you have, Proposal R5.pdf, is already assumed to be a part of the list of files that I want to bring together. That's a good assumption. But I need to add more. So I'll click Add Files. The files that I want to add are in that same Lesson 1 folder. In this case, it's on my desktop, inside the Acrobat Project files, inside Lesson 1. And they're already PDF files, so all I need to do is Shift-select them. And I want the 3 PDF files that were in there to begin with, R5, TTT Presentation, Time to Treasure, and Times to Treasure Event Proposal. Once I've selected them, I'll click Add Files, and Acrobat will bring them into the Combine Files dialog box. Now I can take one more step to make it a little bit easier as I'm assembling this document, and that is to reorder the files to make sure they're in the correct order to begin with. And I happen to know that the Time to Treasure PDF file needs to be at the end of the entire list of pages in the document, so I'll select it and select Move Down. Everything looks good. I'll go ahead and click Next. And then I have 2 options here. I want to merge files into a single PDF. That's the option that I want to choose. So I'll just simply select Create. And Acrobat will do its magic. When all's said and done, I'll click Save. And Acrobat is going to create a default name called Binder 1 in this case. If I had been doing this all day, it might be Binder 10 or Binder 20, depending on how many of these documents I've made. That's just sort of to hearken to the concept of a ring binder, but I need to rename it. In this case, I'm going to rename it something more sort of relevant to what I'm doing. And I'll name it Complete Proposal. Save one more time, and then I'm done. Now I have a single document that has come from a variety of documents in one place at one time. To see the effect of that, I'm going to go to the Pages palette, and I'll click on the Pages button to toggle it on, and I can scroll down through the pages to see that I have pages of differing sizes and differing orientations, all in the same file. This is good, but there's another step that I want to take. So my proposal is together, and I could deliver it as is, but I need to take another step in order to make this proposal as good as it can be.